Stuck with a dead car battery and no one around to help? What if a single pocket-sized device could get your car running in seconds? Today, we're taking a closer look at the AVAPOW A68 to see if it's really the ultimate jump starter for emergencies. About the product, the A68 Battery Jumper Starter Portable delivers 6,000 ampere peak current, supporting all gasoline and up to 12.0-liter diesel engines. It is suitable for all 12-volt vehicles: cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, RVs, tractors, ATVs, UTVs, lawnmowers, snowmobiles, etc. Meanwhile, it is ultra-lightweight and portable. The Battery Jump Starter works with intelligent jumper clamps, which provide 8 safety protections to ensure it's safe to use. Also, the jumper clamp's indicator light will notify you of any common incorrect operation. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the AVAPOW A68 battery clamps, USB-A to USB Type-C cable, carrying bag, user manual, product description, power button, USB 1, USB 2, EC5 output, Type-C input, DC output, LED light. How to use. Fully insert the smart battery clamps into the jump starter's 12-volt port. Connect the red clamp to the battery's positive terminal and the black clamp to the battery's negative terminal. Start your engine and remove the clamps from the battery. How to recharge. To charge the jump starter, connect the included charging cables USB Type-C to the device's charging port and the cables USB Type-A to the power source. The power source can be any USB source, like 5-volt wall chargers, car chargers, etc. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.